Well, that little app out there, Instagram, I click it a number of times in the day, which I'm sure you guys do too a lot. Well, would you believe that the photo sharing app Instagram has now completed a decade? Yes, it's 10 years old. It was founded in 2010 on the 6th of October by Kevin Strystrom as well as Mike Krieger. And then remember, it was bought over by Facebook for $1 billion in the year 2012 when it had a meager 13 employees. Now it's headed by Facebook executive Adam Mosseri, and you had the very popular feature of Instagram Stories, which launched in 2016, and Instagram Shopping in 2018, and there's been no looking back. Today it's a huge platform for major brands, influencers, as well as businesses. So to celebrate their 10 years, Instagram is launching a whole host of features. There's the story maps that they have planned to launch, which is essentially a private map and a calendar of all the stories that you've shared over the last 3 years. So you can look back, you can remember a lot of your favorite moments, and you'll be able to share, download, as well as save these stories to your highlights. You can also have the new feature, which is hiding potentially offensive comments, where it is essentially a new feature that they've started, which hides comments which are similar to those that have been reported. So you can tap on view hidden comments to see those comments, because they say that this violates the community guidelines. There's also expanding nudge warnings, which is essentially including an additional warning when people repeatedly attempt to post comments that could be offensive. Not just that, you've got a range of icons as well that you can use today. Especially you can use the classic icon that you were accustomed to, the brown one, or there's the rainbow colored pride icon and a number of other colors available. Not just that, Insta is also going to launch selfie stickers, emojis, watch together, and a vanish mode. And they plan to launch shopping on IGTV as well as on Reels very soon. I'm just going to walk you through some of the most memorable moments on Instagram as well that they've had. The most liked photo on Instagram, well, that's actually the photo of an egg that has been actually liked by 54.7 million people as of September 2020. It's actually a very simple photograph of an egg. That's pretty crazy. You've got, celebrities like Jennifer Aniston, who joined Instagram and within 5 hours and 16 minutes had 1 million followers. She was even in the Guinness Book of World Records for getting the highest number of followers on a social media platform that quickly. You also had a lot of causes that have, really resonated with the world, and you've seen very actionable causes. Hashtag #MeToo, hashtag the ALS Iceberg Challenge, hashtag Share with Pride, that have all really boomed on Instagram. And any guesses as to who is the Instagram celebrity with the most followers? Well, it's footballer Cristiano Ronaldo with 239 million followers. So here's to Instagram, wishing you a very happy birthday, and here's to another decade of social media photo sharing.